previous one that I posted. So I'm gonna open my mail again in front of the camera for you guys. And this is a pretty intense like skincare edition, I think. Today we have quite a lot of stuff to go through, as you can tell. And I'm gonna start off with this one first. It's the monthly Look Fantastic box again. Oh my god. Very cute box, can I say? Has the word birthday over it. I like the boxes a lot. I know it sounds so lame, but like I use it to store other stuff, especially like Go Margaux collections or whatever, so I can like put them properly and nicely. So I love the boxes. Okay, this is the September edition and it comes also with the Elle magazine. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the booklet because I want to see what's inside here. Ugh. Carrying this bit is very fun. The Look Fantastic advent calendar will be available to pre-order from 7 September and we're exclusively offering 20% off. Do y'all remember the advent calendar that I hauled like yesteryear? Last year. I had to leave the box in New York, but I really loved like everything that was in it. It was amazing. And I also had a giveaway, and the giveaway winner is now my friend. If you haven't seen it already, the Mustafa vlog should be up. Xiangmin is the one that won the giveaway. Crazy, right? And like she came up to me in school to tell me that she won it, and that's how we became friends. So yeah, the advent calendar brings people together. Ah, it's so look at the color on this. I'm digging this. Ooh, first thing I see is the Eve Lone cleanser. Actually, they gave this like a couple of times. I'm pretty sure this is my third one. Because it's a solid cleanser, it's actually really great for traveling. So I usually leave it to travel. And I don't know if it comes with like a muslin cloth. For a solid cleanser, like you would think it's very like exfoliating, very like harsh, but it's not at all. This is the original mane and tail hoof maker hand and nail therapy. Wow, this is how it looks. Very like vintage bottle. It actually reminds me of like stain remover bottles. Smells nice actually. Okay, trying it on my hand right now. I love hand creams and I'm constantly running out of them because whenever I wash my hands with soap outside at home, I always have to lotion up because like it hurts if I don't. And ooh, it sunk right in actually. Oh snap! Oh nice! What is this? This is a giant Palmer Violet, delicately perfumed violet sweet. I'm gonna put it in my bag. I'm gonna eat it in class later. Oh wow, this is fancy. This is an Aromatherapy Associates Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. Ooh, smells like a spa. Smells super like herbally. Oh, I feel zen when I smell it. I don't know how else to explain it. Like when I smell it, I just want to keep quiet and enjoy the smell. Great. What else is in here? This is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. Oh, it's a pre-shampoo treatment. Like a white cream looking thing. Okay, I'm gonna try it out. I'm excited about this. And just like a bunch of bubbles. Wait. I see it. What is this? This is the Lord and Berry strobing pencil. I'm gonna refer to this. I am confused. So it is for you to highlight. I'm just gonna like try it out. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's actually really nice and soft and creamy, and so I think you can be very precise with your highlighting. Oh, I love this, Ash. Okay, final one. This is a Morovicza, which is very expensive, but I love. This is the Ultramore Mud Mask. Ooh, have not tried this before. Oh, snap. It smells like mud and mint. Very herbally as well. I'm not very good at describing scents, but here's how it looks. That's all we got in this box. And you know what? I actually want to sign up for a couple of snack boxes as well. So if y'all are interested, please let me know. I would love to review snacks and all that as well, because I'm like a snack-hole. Next box. Okay. Ta-da! This is from Innisfree and they actually launched a new foundation. The packaging comes in like a foundation bank and it says pool. So I'm gonna... Oh snap! Okay, wow. I've got the cushion and an extra puff. I've got the liquid. Yikes! it is in there tight. Okay, I've got a liquid foundation, very sleek packaging. This is the cover brush, so it's like chiseled, kind of flat. And then this is the glow brush, which I'm assuming is just to kind of like blend and sheer out the foundation. I didn't know that they were gonna have like brushes in the set too, but fun. Okay, next up, holy shizzles. Eve Lom and Look Fantastic. If y'all recall that Eve Lom cleanser, same brand, and I'm gonna open it. I'm very excited. Oh god, yes! This is so cool. Okay, this is an eye cream. This is a brightening cream. This is a cleanser cream. Cleanser cream, same as the other one just now. And then this is a muslin cleaning cloth. It has 3 cleaning cloths. This is a rescue mask and this is a moisture mask. I'm just gonna open one thing to like kind of see how it is because it's gonna take me forever to open all of these. But I'm very excited. I think all of the packaging is like this style, very similar, but dang. It looks super luxurious and I know for a fact that I enjoy Eve Lom products, so I can't wait to try these out. Since this is quite rare for me to get like a full set of like luxury products, I might actually do a review and see how it is. But right now I'm working on a review for another skincare routine, and that one I've been on for like 3 weeks. So let me know if my skin has improved, if y'all think so. I'm not wearing foundation today. Okay, last one. Oh, this one I also really want to review. Y'all know Paula's Choice. It's quite new in Singapore, I think. Like, it's not really talked about, but it's been really popular in the States, and they are vegan and cruelty free. So I was like really into it. They asked me if I wanted to have like a bunch of stuff, and I was like, yeah, sign me. So here it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me just take this all in first. Can y'all see? Wow. Wow. These are cleansing cloths. Awesome. I'm gonna bring them to Bali because I'm gonna be there for a week. This is a body exfoliant. Oh my god, body stuff too. I dig. This is a moisturizer. Mineral sunscreen? Sunscreen moisturizer with sunscreen? Oh shit. Everything looks really like ingredient based, which I'm quite happy about. This is an antioxidant serum. This is a vitamin C based booster. Also this, but this is less intense. This is C15 and C25. Ooh, a 10% niacinamide booster. I'm almost out with all of my The Ordinary stuff and I really enjoyed it, but I do want to test out like other skincare brands that provide the same kind of like ingredients based product. So I'm very excited about this. I'm definitely gonna try all of these next. Toner. Look, this, you know that CosRX also has like a BHA like exfoliant, chemical exfoliant liquid, right? This is a Skin Perfection 2% BHA liquid salicylic acid, and it's also a chemical exfoliant, so I think it's very comparable. I'm definitely gonna try this out and like see if I get better results with it, that kind of thing. This is also a pore normalizing cleanser for blemish prone skin. So when they first reached out to me, they asked me what kind of skin I had, and I told them like I like to use sensitive products even though I know my skin might not be like sensitive, like categorized as sensitive, sometimes kind of blemish prone. So all of these products are catered towards my skin type. And this is the Redness Relief Cleanser. Oh my god, there are 2 cleansers! This is the Redness Relief Cleanser for normal to oily skin. This is a gel formula, yes! And finally, this is a perfect cleansing oil with sunflower and coconut. Comes in a box, so I'm gonna say, oh, this is so pretty. It's such a lame thing to say, but it's so cute. I'm very happy with all of these things. Oh my god. Can't wait to try this box out. It looks really promising. So that's all I have to unbox for you today. I have got a lot of things to sift through and try and play around with. I definitely want to do a review on the Eve Lom and the Paula's Choice. Let me know if you want to see me use some of the products from the Look Fantastic box and the Innisfree foundation. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I make a couple of new videos per week, so if you want to stay tuned, don't forget to also turn on your notifications so that my videos will come to you hot off the press. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I make new still, it's just, oh god, I've done this for so long and I still can't say it properly.